Ever wondered how to make authentic Greek lamb shanks at home? Well, it's all about those Mediterranean flavors and a slow cooking process that makes the meat fall off the bone. So let's mosey into the kitchen and let's embark on a culinary journey to Greece, shall we? Start by gathering your ingredients for the lamb shanks. You'll need 4 lamb shanks, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 minced cloves of garlic, 1 large chopped onion, 2 large chopped carrots, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of beef broth, and a cup of red wine. Opt for extra beef broth if you prefer a non-alcoholic version. Then gather 2 teaspoons each of dried oregano and dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 2 bay leaves, the juice of 1 lemon, and 4 peeled and quartered potatoes. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. While it's heating, go ahead and season your lamb shanks with salt and pepper. In a large oven-proof pot, heat your olive oil over medium-high heat. Brown your lamb on all sides, then remove and set aside. In the same pot, sauté your onion, garlic, and carrots until they're softened. Now, return your lamb to the pot and add your tomatoes, broth, wine, oregano, thyme, bay leaves, and lemon juice. Give it a gentle stir, cover and bake for 2 hours. Then add your potatoes and bake for another hour until your lamb is tender. Let it cool slightly before serving and adjust the seasoning if needed. While your lamb is cooking, prepare the tzatziki sauce. Combine 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 1 grated and drained cucumber, 2 to 3 minced cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill in a bowl. Stir until well mixed, then add salt and pepper to taste. For the best flavor, cover and let the tzatziki chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. Serve your Greek lamb shanks hot from the oven, accompanied by your chilled tzatziki sauce on the side. The tzatziki can be used as a refreshing dip for bread or drizzled over the lamb shanks to add a creamy, cooling element to the dish. This combination of rich, slow-cooked lamb and cool, tangy tzatziki brings a taste of Greece right to your table, perfect for a hearty family meal or a special occasion. So roll up your sleeves and give it a try. You won't be disappointed.